Recently, there have been some dramatic changes in America's schools, leading to growing distrust, parent revolts, and student disservice. We're seeing subjects being taught from a single viewpoint, without nuance or historical perspective. We're seeing an environment of fear, with many students and even some teachers afraid to speak up or challenge what they're being told to believe. Fortunately, there are still many stalwart teachers in America's K-12 classrooms who are resisting these trends despite the pressure to conform. At Terra Firma Teaching Alliance, we focus on pedagogy, not ideology. Our teachers are committed to parental rights, student empowerment, and proven teaching methods. As our name implies, Terra Firma builds on the solid ground of traditional values to promote practices such as open-mindedness, looking at difficult problems from different sides, gathering information from multiple sources, and allowing varied perspectives to be shared and considered in the classroom. We develop and offer the kind of professional development and in-service training that upholds quality and restores academic integrity. We're also building a pool of trustworthy educators available for staffing startups in this era of school choice and educational vouchers. Terra Firma equips, supports, and empowers quality educators while rebuilding community faith in America's school systems, because we believe that a healthy K-12 environment is needed for a healthy democracy. Contact us at tfteach.org to learn more.